This is the launch sequence for Movie Edit Pro 2014 Premium from Magix, and it is this fast. The dialog box that you get right at the beginning, I don't know if I would actually have this watch intro video on the product here. This is a product that's targeted for people who know about video editing, so I don't see it's useful here. But this bit I do like the fact that you have the option right at the get-go to pick if you want to create proxy files. And this comes about if you're doing HD project and your platform struggles to do playback while in the video editor, you should tick this. The folders it's going to use, any movie settings that you previously used are set here. You can load your existing project, which you can see one in there. But one of the useful things is this movie template. You can actually create a project from a template, and it's like having a storyboard in, and it shows you what kind of clips you want to put where. So that's a very useful feature. This section for the actual project and movie settings I find also very useful and straightforward. The top half is what I call the global settings for a project. Now, if you've got a project where you want to create a loop that you're going to sell on Reverstock or any other of those sites, then you would click this. If you are doing a HD project, like I explained before, you might want to have the proxy files, and you would click this. And if your project has a variety of media types of which still images are involved, you may want to select this. So that does your global settings. Now, how would you like your timeline viewed? And this is what this is about. Do you want 32 tracks, 4 tracks, or whatever? So you can pick if you even want any tracks and how many you want. And here is the audio. So what is the audio sampling rate you're going by? And the video settings is normally by some sort of preset. Now, because I did a trial run, this has remembered the video settings from that trial run, which is in fact the game anime. So I'm going to leave this as it is and just click OK. So once you've got that, the application hands itself over to you. You can now do your import or add media, and it's just like using an Explorer. So it's very intuitive for those who are Windows users because it acts like Explorer. And once you've got to your directory, the thumbnails are very nice. You can adjust the size of them, but you can actually see your project. Now, what you're going to see me doing here, I'm going to go in storyboard mode, and I'm just going to drop all these content into there. And the speed of this application is quite astonishing. I do like it. It's very, very good. So there you go. Neat little project. You can see all the storyboard. It's quite foxy interface. It's so good, and it's smooth and it's fast. Very intuitive. Do like it. And that completes the startup sequence for Movie Edit Pro 2014, the Premium Edition. I cannot wait to see how well this product does in actually rendering a project into a movie.